In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use ChatGPT for writing an engaging and well-structured article. This process will guide you through each step, starting from opening ChatGPT to saving your final piece of work. Let's begin by accessing ChatGPT. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once there, log in with your account credentials. After successfully logging in, it's time to start a new conversation. This ensures you have a clean slate to work from and allows the AI to focus on your current task without any previous context. The next step is to clearly communicate your topic to ChatGPT. Think of this as setting the stage for your article. For instance, you might say, "Write an article about the benefits of morning exercise." Providing a clear and concise topic helps the AI understand your intentions right from the start. Now, before diving into the article writing, it's beneficial to ask ChatGPT for an outline first. This step provides structure to your article and serves as a roadmap during the writing process. You could prompt ChatGPT by saying, "Create a detailed outline for an article about the benefits of morning exercise. Include an introduction, key points, and conclusion." This will give you a clear framework which you can follow as you develop your content. With the outline ready, it's time to expand on each section. Start by focusing on the introduction and the first key point from your outline. Request ChatGPT to write these sections in a tone that is both professional and friendly. This approach helps in making the content accessible and engaging for your audience, ensuring they remain interested and informed. Once you have expanded the sections of your article, you'll want to refine the style and length. This involves making your article sound more engaging and adding examples where necessary to bring your points to life. You might prompt the AI with a request like, "Make this article sound more engaging, add examples, and expand it to about 1,000 words." Such a revision allows the article to be thorough yet captivating, maintaining reader interest from the introduction to the conclusion. After your article has been fleshed out and polished, it's crucial to proofread with ChatGPT. This step ensures that grammar, clarity, and flow are all up to standard, enhancing the overall quality of your work. You can say, "Check this article for grammar, clarity, and flow. Suggest improvements without changing the meaning." This is an excellent way to catch any lingering errors or awkward phrasing that might distract your readers. Finally, once you're satisfied with the content, don't forget to save or copy your article. Whether you download it as a document, save it to your cloud storage, or copy it to a clipboard, ensuring that your work is securely stored is the last but vital part of the process. And there you have it, a comprehensive method to harness the power of ChatGPT for crafting a well-written article.